Welcome. The goal of this video is to show you how to produce flawless microfoam on the Schaerer Power Steam espresso machine. The texture of microfoam when put to the customer's mouth will leave them with an exceptional drinking experience every time. Step 1. Pour the amount of milk needed for your desired cup size into the cup you're going to be using. Then pour that milk into your steaming pitcher. Step 2. Pull your shot of espresso before you start steaming your milk. This gives the crema a chance to settle. Step 3. Position the steam pitcher under the steam wand as follows. Not in the center, not against the wall, but you want to be in the corner of the pitcher with the tip halfway submerged. This will help to roll the milk and pull in enough air to create microfoam. Step 4. Hit steam and leave the steam pitcher alone. Notice how the milk's automatically rolling, and if you listen carefully you can hear the hissing sound. That's the sound of air being pulled into the milk to create your foam. Then always make sure you wipe off your steam wand and give it a purge. You now have microfoam and your espresso. It now comes down to the pour. This will take some practice, but we'll get there.